It's lift tour time. This time is the Aqua shopping center. It is a very big shopping center in Valencia, in Spain. This shopping center has tons of decent crap lifts, but it's the best lifts ever, and it's one of my favorite brands. And now we are currently at car park level -1, and we are not gonna ride the escalators. We're gonna ride the lifts, but I do not know. Now we are lost away to the lifts. Car park level -1 is green. I just realized that the green is my favorite color. Ouch! Hey! Well, you refused. But you did realize these are the first lift. And now to the first lifts, which are the car park lifts of the shopping center. And there are some nice decent crap lifts. The lift on the right is from Mercadona and serves until level -3. And both of these lifts serves from semi-basement to level -4. Now to the next lifts, which are the glass lifts of the middle of the shopping center. Oh, they're full. That's a sign. These are the shacks of these glass lifts. And now, and I'm not stopping until I get to the next lift. I'm not stopping the video until I get to the next lift. Let's go up on this escalators. And now I am the ground floor, which is also known as floor 0. Well, but for this time, I will skip the glass lifts because they were full. And now we go into Mango, and there is no lifts inside. And yes, to be shown into Mango. Why would you suggest looking Zara, not a Mango? Yeah. Seriously, why do you have to stop the video now? Stupid thing. I'm not stopping, and you cannot make my YouTube channel. It's my own YouTube channel, and I can make it myself. Nope. If I stop it like this, the video will be so shorter. Anyways, and now to the next lift. These are normal real lifts, and they're stupid generic lifts with modern cabs. The freight lift is occupied. I do not know if these lifts are occupied or not. So Let's ride these lifts. Oh, it is very hard to close the swing door. How is this even possible? So if I did it right, I just wanted to write it, but this time I'll skip it. And how is this long going to take? How is this long going to take? I just want to go to something. No.
Está ocupado el pantalón ahí,
Tell me, they're not.
Sí, hay uno que está, uno está para recuperar.
You just left the own places. Let me write it for a second. Go to that one. Hey, you don't let me write it. Screw you. Screw you. This is the lift. You just have a seat. You put it on the back wall, just like in Roblox. This is just like in Roblox to have seats in the back wall. But I will open this horizontal so more people can see it.
Who are you talking with?
To the viewers.
Ah, really? Are you talking on your own?
To my own, no. I'm just talking to the viewers
Ah, okay. Where are you from?
from this country. I just learned
this
lots
one?
of English
Really?
on these videos that I just watched.
Your English is really good.
Thanks.
So you speak Spanish as well?
Well, I just speak Spanish as well. This is a beautiful cab. This is just an unreal lift that I'm filming. Standing here and doing absolutely nothing. The lift on the first lift is the freight lift. Then where is vandalized? I just only realized how.
Sí. ¿Sí? ¿O no? ¿Me dejas a mí?
Esa no, ¿vale?
Fine.
No. No, over. Okay?
Okay. So not to use. I'm not using the freight lift. I'm just using these mine lifts.
¿Está con ella?
No, pero digo que el niño se quita a grabar y se puso a grabar.
Doesn't need to use this. I just didn't want it to be appearing in the video. What is it? Is
Para ya, que te has regalado 3 veces. Joder.
no 3 times, just only 1. My dad is such an asshole. Nice texture. Also a kind of nice gesture. Kind of nice gesture.
No te pueden estar regañando.
I know
Puedes
that.
grabar con los puntos.